Good morning. This video is going to show us how to find a practice assignment on Canvas and what type of features you have. First off, you're going to have to go ahead and log in onto Canvas. When you log in into Canvas, you're going to be directed to the dashboard. You can go to your courses. A lot of the courses, the math course will have a lot of information on there, but specifically talking about practice, our assignments, you're going to go to the calendar, calendar. All your assignments will be posted on the calendar, and it'll be assigned on the due date. So this assignment is due September 2nd. It's called an example assignment. When you click that, you're going to get two hyperlinks. The first one is one-example assignment. The second one says key one-example assignment. Example assignment. So what I do is I will give you the assignment, and if you click the one-example assignment, it has the information and the problems that we're going to be completing. Now, when we're on Canvas here, you're going to complete this assignment most likely on a separate sheet of paper, and then upload it onto Canvas for me. It's going to probably be difficult to do that. You can use your Chromebook to take a picture. You can use a phone to take a picture. I actually downloaded an app on my phone that is called TurboScan that scans everything into PDF. However, you can do that. I can help you if you need help figuring out how to upload an assignment onto Canvas, but there's multiple ways of doing it. So please let me know if you need help with that. So here are the problems. This is what the assignment's going to entail. So the second part of the example assignment is the key. On there, I will show you all the answers, the correct work, on top of what your homework should look like. Here is the example. First off, I have a title, one-example assignment. Whatever is posted, that is our title. You want to write that in. You want to have your name. Those are two things that you got to have on there. We want to get in the habit of doing that. I know you guys are going to be submitting these through Canvas, and it'll be already attached to your name, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't prepare as if this is something I'm turning in class. So please complete that. If you do not, I'm going to ask you guys to redo things. A lot of times I see work that's turned in that's not quality work. We want to have quality work here. So the first section was add and subtract integers. So what I went ahead and did, and you can see -3 plus -7, this is the original doc. I rewrote the original problem. I numbered it. I wrote some hints over here. First, you want to write the original problem. You want to work down, not across. Many students coming into 8th grade like to work across. They like to put it all in one line. Please don't do that. You should be working down so we can see what step happened, and we don't lose any math. A lot of times we lose numbers, we lose operations, we lose signs because we're working across. We always want to work down, and we'll continue to work on that. So work down and then circle your answer. So -3 plus -7 is -10. Not a ton of work there. Same thing with number 2. If you notice at number 3, I did have an additional step. It said add the opposite. So when we subtract integers, we need to add the opposite. So 8 minus -5, which is the original problem, would turn into 8 plus 5 because we add the opposite of -5, which is +5. That's how we subtract integers. So 8 minus -5 becomes 8 plus 5, which is 13. So that's showing your work, and we really need to get in the habit of doing that. I still do that with integers. They're not really easy. They can be confusing with subtracting negatives. So please make sure you guys show all your work. Going down, the second part was simplifying expressions. We have some steps is identify like terms, rearrange terms, combine like terms, and circle answer. So we had n plus 4 plus 9 plus 5n. And I rearranged first. I identified my like terms as n and 5n because they have the same variable raised to the same power. My other like terms are 4 and 9, which are my constants. My variable term should always go first, and my constant should always go last. So my answer is 6n plus 13. 1n plus 5n is 6n, and 4 plus 9 is 13. And then lastly, we have the distributive property. To distribute, we take the number that is outside of the parentheses and distribute it into all the terms inside. So we get 18 plus 12n, which ends up being 12n plus 18. Again, I'm going to put my variable term first, then I will put my constant term and circle my answer. So going back to Canvas, for you guys, you will have, when you open up this assignment, an opportunity. The screen's going to look a little different. You are going to be able to submit assignment. Now mine says speed grader. I can grade your assignments. You guys are going to be able to submit, and that's where you submit your picture, your URL link, your PDF, whatever, however you can capture the work that was assigned, and you would submit that on. But for every homework assignment on our calendar, I will be putting the assignment as well as the key. Sometimes I'll have some additional directions, so please read. But this is how you would find a practice assignment on Canvas and what you can see on there and what is available. Have a good day.